Right, okay, so we've got the second rear bumper portion constructed, and that goes, this is the right hand one, and just from where you can see the end I'm wiggling it at the moment, from there to there is a middle central piece, goes on that, and it doesn't go there, it goes like that. So there is one I'm wiggling here that joins to there. Alright, so tail light in this portion here. So I'm just constructing the right hand side. That's the left. That's the left rear. This is the right rear, and the wheel arch is there, and the swing arm suspends off of here. I'm probably going to have to put some. I'm going to have to make some steel to go through that will be bolted at multiple points onto the running forward or go across to here. It's in the CAD drawing. It goes two plates going across there, joining to a central piece that it goes up there and then goes onto the thing and comes onto here. Well, we'll have the housing for the shock down to the rear suspension that will be built. Where is it? About here, about in here somewhere, in this area here, because the wheel is there and going. Where is it? Oh, got my orientation wrong. The wheel is here, swinging this way, doing. So the top of the suspension will be in this plate up here. So the shock will be like that. Arm will be like that. Shock will be there. Alright. So now I particularly want to come around here. This is the continuation part of the. So this is where it comes down to a point from the roof portion, and then it goes over the top of the roof, goes over the top of the head. So this is the back of the roof, and it's quite cute boxes here, which are non-geodesic though, unfortunately. And whilst this is still quite wiggly, it's shearing sideways. And this one here is completely pulled off, and that's a 6mm gap. That 6mm gap appeared and snapped off. It pulled off under tension after I fixed something up here. One of these ones pulled the damn thing off because there was a 6mm gap in somewhere around here, I think it was, in one of these. When that pinged off, everything else here stabilized, as there were all sorts of gaps. But it should come as no surprise that this, which wobbles backwards and forwards, is pinging off of there. So I'm going to have to do some structural analysis on that, because partly for aesthetic reasons, some of there are bracing pipes not going across from some of these locations. This is the rear bumper portion continues out there, so this is rear bumper flat piece that, as from an aesthetic perspective, goes into the back of the car, and the other rear bumper portion here. So you get if I can put it upright, if I put the car upright, you get a curve inwards out to the bumper with the two lights at the back there, and then this is just this line at the very bottom of the rear bumper there. But it means, and these two central nodes are quite interesting for strategically, but these two back boxes, the rear portions, are not quite connected entirely, and geodesic fashion to them. Just may have to add some additional struts in there to stabilize things. But now that I've got the full thing, I can start waggling things about, so to speak, to make absolutely sure. The rest has been really straightforward, especially the front. And even organising the door, that's easy to stabilise by putting those two large door sills on the left and right. But this is also straightforward, but it's just engineering. All right, so that's the next stage thing. It's funny enough, just like with that one, that was a day. This one should be 10.5. Everything, just take it easy. Cool. Thank you very much.